Hey guys, welcome to Culinary Arts. Come on in. As you come in, this is the hallway. We have lots of different things. This is student successes. We have places for you to go to school. We have certifications that all our students have earned. They're here, they're in the kitchen. Come on in. When you guys first come to Culinary Arts, this is where you're gonna be. This is our Culinary Intro and Culinary 3 lab. You can see we use induction, stainless steel pans. We have very top of the line equipment for you to learn and hone your culinary techniques. And if you come on this way, we got something kind of exciting. This is the equipment for our Pro Start State Champion team. We have a really good culinary competition history, and our kids go all over the state and the country to compete and practice their culinary arts. Let's walk on over this way. This area here isn't set up right now, but this is where our upper level students are able to sell to their peers, right? We have a student, how do they say that? It's a student driven and student supplied and student prepared business, and everybody gets to benefit from it, students and cooks alike. Come on this way. This is our 3-sink area where you'll wash your dishes. You can spray them off with a disposal, wash, rinse, sanitize, and then you'll air dry it. As we come over here, this is where our upper level students cook. So you can see we have 8 convection ovens. We have a griddle for making pancakes. We have a grill, a stovetop. And this is our Swiss kettle. And believe it or not, we'll make 5 or 6 batches of pozole at Christmas that fill this up to provide for the staff and students. You can see we have, this is some chili that they're getting ready to use for lunch later on with some baked potatoes. As we move on back, this is a proof box for having our bread rise. This mixer is older than me, and we got it from one of the other elementary schools, and so we can make big batches of bread. We have lots of different pieces of equipment. We have lots of drop downs here that we do. So this is where our 2nd and 3rd year students will be working. They do lots of preparation here. They get all of their work done and things like that. Let's go visit Miss Hale. Oh, hey, Miss Hale. We have some people here. This is Culinary 3. They're working on getting some certifications. Come on in and take a peek around. Just so you know, we have the best bathrooms here in Culinary, and we take pride in keeping them that way. So when you're a student, you don't have to go to the regular bathrooms. Hey guys, good morning. Hey, we have some students here to say hello.
Good morning.
Hi, this is Miss Rhodes. She's one of the other culinary and hospitality teachers here. Say hello.
Hi you guys, how's it going?
And then you can see we have plenty of people in class here. We keep it going, and you can see we also do, in addition, we do green chili cheeseburgers, we do green chili stew, all sorts of competitions.
In hospitality and tourism, you also help Culinary with catering events. So when catering happens, Culinary, they make like the food, and we help set up the tables and serve the food. Like we did a dinner and show one day, and the dinner and show was theater had put on a show. we helped set up the tables, we served the salads, we helped refill drinks, and culinary made the food. And it did pretty good.
Yeah, they're mainly the back of the house. The cooks are mainly the people in the back. Hospitality is the ones that the face of the place that you're going to see. We're the ones that we're actually the teachers and the staff that actually come to the front. We'll be the ones seating you at a restaurant. We're the ones that you're mostly going to remember because we're the ones you get to see every single day.